So good morning to all of you. Here we will discuss about some problems of application of integration. First question, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y squared is equal to x and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 1 is here, x is equal to 4 is here. You have to find out the area between the curve y squared is equal to x means it is a right-handed parabola. So y squared is equal to x means what is y? Y is root x. So area is equal to, you know what is area formula? Integral a to b y dx. Integral a to, here a is 1, b is 4. So integral 1 to 4 y dx. So integral 1 to 4 y is what? Root x. Root x is x raised to 1 by 2. X raised to 1 by 2 is what? X raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 raised to 1 by 4. So 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. What is 4 raised to 3 by 2? 4 raised to 3 by 2 is 4 cube raised to 1 by 2. 4 cube raised to 1 by 2 is 64 raised to 1 by 2. 64 raised to 1 by 2 means root of 64. Root of 64 is 8. So 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7, 2 by 3 into 7. 2 by 3 into 7 is what? 14 by 3 square units. Next, find the area of the region bounded by y squared is equal to 9x, x is equal to x is equal to 4, and x-axis in the first quadrant. In the previous problem also it was like that only. It is in the x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, y squared is equal to x, and x-axis only. Here also it is in the first quadrant. So y squared is equal to 9x means y is equal to what? Root of 9x. Root of 9x is what? 3 root x. So you have to find out the area, integral 1 to 4. So integral 2 to 4 y dx. What is our y? 3 root x. So integral 2 to 4 3 root x dx. So 3 into integral 2 to 4 x raised to 1 by 2. That means x raised to 3 by 2. X raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So that constant you take it outside, then 4 raised to 2 by 3 minus 2 raised to 2 by 3. 4 raised to 2 by 3 is 8. 2 raised to 2 by 3 is what? 2 raised to 2 by 3 is 2 squared raised to 1 by 2 raised to 3 by 2. 2 raised to 3 by 2 is 2 cube raised to 1 by 2. 2 cube is 8. It is root 8. Root 8 is what? Root of 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is what? 2 root 2. So this is answer. So answer is 16 minus 4 root 2 square unit. Find the area of the region bounded by x squared is equal to 4y, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and y-axis in the x first quadrant. So here we have to apply the formula integral a to b x dy. Here x squared is equal to 4y means what is x? X is equal to 2 root y. X is equal to 2 root y. So area is what? Integral 2 to 4 2 root y. Integral 2 to 4 x dy. 2 to 4 x dy is what? 2 to 4 2 root y. So 2 you take it outside. 2 into integral 2 to 4 y raised to 1 by 2 dy. So this is what? Y raised to 3 by 2. Same as previous problem. You will get the answer like this. So 32 minus 8 root. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x squared by 16 plus y squared by 9 is equal to 1. So you know from that you have to find out a y. This is an ellipse. Ellipse with the major axis, what? X squared by 16 means a squared is 16. So a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. So major axis 2a, that means 2 into 4, 8, and minor axis 2 into 3, 6. So a squared is equal to 16, b squared is equal to 9. So from here you have to express y in terms of x. So y squared by 9 is equal to 1 minus x squared by 16. That means if you take LCM 16 minus x squared by 16. So y squared is equal to 9 by 16 into 16 minus x squared. So y is equal to 3 by 4 into root of 16 minus x squared. So this is an ellipse. Here 4 0, here minus 4 0. You have to find out area. So actually all these 4 parts are 1, 2, 3, 4. Is symmetric. So if you find out the area between 0 to 4 of this portion, then after that you can multiply with the 4. You will get the area. So this is about symmetry. Symmetry means if you change x in terms of, if you change y and minus y, instead of y, if you put minus y, same equation you are getting Instead of x, you are substituting minus x, then you are getting same equation. So that is the it is uh, symmetry with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so both are this is actually directly you can find out 4 0 for minus 4 0 here 0 3 and 0 minus 3. So area of the region is equal to 4 into area of which area? This area OAB. OAB. Okay, so a 4 into integral 0 to 4 y dx. 4 into integral 0 to 4 y is what? 3 by 4 into root of 16 minus x squared. So 4 into 3 by 4 into root of 16 minus x. You remember the formula? Root a squared minus x squared is what? X by 2 into root a squared minus x squared plus a squared by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Here root of 16 minus x squared means 3 into x by 2 into root of 4 squared minus x squared plus 4 squared by 2 into sine inverse x by 4. If you apply 4 squared minus 4 squared, this is 0. Plus 8 sine inverse 4 by 4, that means 8 sine inverse 1. Minus lower limit means what? 0. 0 into this is 0. Plus 8 sine inverse 0. So what is that? This is 0. This is sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So 8 pi by 2. So 3 into 8 pi by 2. 3 into 8 pi by 2 is what? 12 pi square units. And the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x squared by 4 plus y squared by 9 is equal to 1. Here you see this is the form a squared is equal to 4, b squared is equal to 9. This is what inverted ellipse or this form. This is the form. So here y in terms of x, y is equal to 3 by 2 into root of 4 minus x squared. So you know from here point is what? Minus 2 0 to 2 0 here 0 3 0 minus 3. So what is the area? Area you find out the area of this portion OAB. OAB area you find out, then multiply with the 4. So total area is equal to 4 into integral 0 to 2 y dx. 4 into integral 0 to 2 y is what? 3 by 2 into root of 4 minus x squared. So 4 into 3 by 2 into integral 0 to 2 root of 2 squared minus x squared dx. So 6 into x by 2 into root of 2 squared minus x squared plus 2 squared by 2 into sine inverse x by 2. Apply upper limit and lower limit. You know, if you apply lower limit, what I say, 2 squared minus 2 squared 0. Then this is 2 squared by 2, 2 sine inverse 2 sine inverse 1. 2 other all terms are 0. So 2 into pi by 2. So what is answer? 6 pi square units. When the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, x is equal to root 3y and the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 means it is a circle with the center 0 0 and radius 2. And this is a line. So you have to find out the area. Area means this portion. This portion area is equal to what? Area under this curve. Big curve minus area under area under the circle. Area under the circle means this portion is what this total area will come minus area under this line. So you will get this area. Or you can find directly you can find out this. X squared plus y squared is equal to 4. So x is equal to root 3. Root 3y means y is equal to what? Root 3x. Y is equal to root 3x. Now if you substitute x squared plus instead of x squared you write what? Root 3 x is root 3y. So 3y squared plus y squared is equal to what? 4. So 4y squared is equal to 4. Y squared is equal to, but this first quadrant, so you take only positive value. So y is equal to what? 1. If y is equal to 1, x is equal to root 3. So the point is what? Root 3, 1. Now, you have to find out the area. Let us solve y is equal to, so that what I have given that only. So now shaded area over here. So you have to find out the area under the curve, this portion area under this line. So 0 to this point is what? This point is root 3. This point is x coordinate is root 3. Root 3. So 0 to root 3 line plus root 3 to this curve. Root 3 to this curve. So you can find out integral. Directly you can find out 0 to root 3 line plus root 3 to 2 circle. This is, so that way they are done separately. 0 to root 3 y dx. Y dx means 1 by root 3 x dx. 1 by root 3 is a constant. X integral is x squared by 2. Upper limit and lower limit means you are getting root 3 by 2 square units. Now, second portion, root 3 to 2 y dx. That is a circle. Circle means root 3 to 2 root of 2 squared minus x squared. So our circle is what? Our circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to what? 2 squared. So this is the formula. Y is equal to root of 2 squared minus x squared. So x by 2 into root of 2 squared minus x squared plus 2 squared by 2 into sine inverse x by 2. Root 3 and 2. So if you apply upper limit 2 squared minus 2 squared, this is 0. This is 2 squared by 2. 2 into sine inverse 1. That is correct. Next, lower limit means root 3 by 2 into 4 minus 3. Root 3 by 2 into 4 minus 3 is 1. So root 3 by 2. 2 into sine inverse root. What is sine inverse root 3 by 2? Pi by 3. So sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So sine inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. So answer is 2 pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. So answer is what? Pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. Pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. This is the answer. This is only second portion. So you have to find out the total area. What is the first area you got? Root 3 by 2. So total area is what? Total area is equal to root 3 by 2 is first line area plus pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. So plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 cancel. So answer is what? Pi by 3 square unit. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. Cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. You know equation of the circle is what? X squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. So it is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius a. So y is equal to what? Root of a squared minus x squared. So x is equal to a by root 2. So you have to find out this small area. That means upside and lower side you have to find out the area. So this is the area. So you have to find out the area. This portion area. This portion area is what? Actually, this is a by root 2. A by root 2 to a. You have to find out the area of this circle. So and this is symmetry with respect to x-axis. Why? You know x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. If you substitute instead of x minus x, you are getting the same equation. Instead of y, you are substituting minus y, you are getting the same equation. So it is symmetrical with respect to x and y axis. So you multiply with the 2 only. So 2 into integral a by root 2 to a y dx. What is our y? Y is circle y. What is circle y? Y is equal to root of a squared minus x squared. So a by root into 2 into integral a by root 2 to a root of a squared minus x squared dx. So 2 into x by 2 into root a squared minus x squared plus a squared by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Apply upper limit and lower limit. So if you apply upper limit, it means a squared minus a squared is 0. A squared by 2 into sine inverse a by a. Sine inverse a by a is what? 1. So a squared by 2 into sine inverse 1. What is sine inverse 1? Pi by 2. Minus a by root 2 by 2 into a squared minus a squared by 2. A squared minus a squared by 2 is, this is full a squared, this is half a squared. So half a squared you are getting. So a by 2 root 2 into root a squared by 2 minus a squared by 2 into sine inverse 1 by root 2. If you multiply 2 inside, you are getting 2 into pi a squared by 2 minus a squared by minus a squared by 4, that is coming here, minus pi a squared by 8. So pi a squared by 4 minus pi a squared by 8. So you're taking 2a squared outside, then pi by 4 minus pi by 8 minus 1 by 4. If you take LCM, then 8 upon 2 pi minus pi minus 2. 2 pi minus pi is what? Pi minus 2. So a squared by 4 into pi minus 2. Or you can write it as what? If you take 2 outside, so a squared by 2 into pi by 2 minus 1. This is answer. When the area between x is equal to y squared and x is equal to 4 is divided into the 2 equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. So here you have to find out the value of area is given. So x is equal to y squared and x is equal to 4 divided into two equal parts. X is equal to 4 is a line, this is a line, and x is equal to y squared is a parabola. So x is equal to y squared means y squared is equal to x. So y is equal to what? Root x. And you know the area is equal to what? Area of OAMB. Area of OAMB is what? Area bounded by the parabola and the vertical line x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts. That means area of OAMB. OAMB is equal to area of AMBDNC. So this area is equal to this area. This given. So what is the area? Actually, this is symmetrical with respect to x-axis. So 2 into integral 0 to a by dx. So this is a focus. 2 into integral 0 to a by dx. So 2 into integral 0 to a means what? 2 into integral 0 to a by dx. And here it is what? A to 4. A to 4 by dx. So 0 to r. What is our y here? OAMB, OAMB, OAMB. What is the y? Y is what? 0 to a by dx. Y is what our first case? Y is equal to root x. So x raised to, because our curve is y squared is equal to x. So y is equal to root x. So 0 to a x raised to 1 by. Here also, in this case also, what is our curve? Curve is parabola. So y is equal to what? 0 to a x raised to 1 by 2 dx is equal to 0 a to 4 x raised to 1 by 2 dx. X raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 0 to a. Here x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 a to 4. So apply 2 by 3 into a raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus a raised to 3 by 2. So simplifying, you are getting a is equal to what? 4 raised to 2 by 3. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x squared is a parabola and upward parabola, and y is equal to root x is modulus function. As all of you know, y is equal to root x. So y is equal to modulus x means what? Plus x greater than 0 or minus x if x less than 0. So both are y is equal to x squared and y is equal to parabola. Both are symmetric with respect to x axis. Sorry, y axis. So y is equal to minus x. This is y is equal to x. You have to find out this portion. This portion means anyway it is symmetrical. So you find out this portion area and multiply with 2. So how to find out this area? What is a common portion? Common portion is, you know, y is equal to x squared, y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is x greater than 0. Because, so you know x squared is equal to x. So x squared minus x is equal to 0. So x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, 0. Here one common point, here one common point. So you find out the area. So area under the curve y is equal to x minus area under the parabola this. That means if you find out the area under the line, this is minus area under the parabola, you will get this area. So what you have to do? This is the formula: 2 into integral 0 to 1 line minus 0 to 1 parabola. This is the answer. So to 0 to 1 y dx is 0 to 1 x squared dx. So x squared is x cube by 3, 0 to 1. So what is 1 by 3? Parabola. Now area line 0 to 1 y dx, that is 1 by 2. So area is what? 1 by 3. Line is 1 by 2. Parabola is 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 6 upon 3 minus 2. So what is answer? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is only one portion. So total area is what? 2 into 1 by 6. 2 into 1 by 6 is what? 1 by 3. Find the area bounded by the curve x squared is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. So x squared is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. So you substitute x is equal to 4y minus 2 here means 4y minus 2 the whole squared is equal to 4y. So 16y squared minus 8y, sorry, minus 16y 2ab plus 4 is equal to 4y. So 16y squared minus 20y plus 4 is equal to 0. So 16 to 4, 24. 64. So product is 64 minus 20. So what are the answer? 16y squared minus 16y minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. So 16y into y minus 1 minus 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 and y is equal to what? 16y is equal to 4, y is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. Y 1 by 4 means what is x? X squared is equal to 4y. So x squared is equal to 4 into 1, 4. So x is equal to what? 2 plus or minus 2. Next is what? 1 by 4 means x squared is equal to 4 into 1 by 4. So 1. So x squared is equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus 1. So plus or here minus 1. So the point is here. So you have to find out the area. Area under the line. Area under the line minus area under the parabola. So area under the line means minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 of line plus 0 to 2 of line minus minus 1 to 0 of parabola plus 0 to 1 by 0 to 2 of parabola. So this is point of intersection only. What are we have done? So area is equal to integral minus 1 to 2 y dx between parabola and x-axis. So you can find out directly minus 1 to 2 parabola, minus 1 to 2 parabola, minus 1 to 2 ellipse. That you minus 1 to 2 line, minus 1 to 2 parabola. So minus 1 to 2 parabola, integral minus 1 to 2 y dx. What is y? X squared by 4. That area of the line. Area of the line means what? You don't think minus 1 to 2 y dx only. That is area under the line. Area under the line is what? Minus y is x plus 2 by 4. And 1 by 4 into you will get this is answer. So total area is equal to what? Area under the parabola minus area under the line minus area under the parabola. Area under the line is 15 by 8 minus area under the parabola is what? 3 by 4. So answer is 9 by 8 square meter. When the area of the region bounded by the curve y squared is equal to 4x and the line x is equal to 3. So you know y is equal to root of 4x. That means 2x ratio. So this is symmetric with respect to x-axis. So you find out 0 to this point is what? 3. 0 to 3 parabola you find out, then multiply with the 2. So 2 into integral 0 to 3 y dx. So 2 into integral 0 to 3 y is what? 2x raised to 1 by 2. So 2 is a constant. Then you are getting a root 3 square root. Area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to 4, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2. So you have to find out the area, this area. So actually, this area is what? Only this ratio you have to 0 to 2 find the circle. 0 to 2 area of circle is what? 0 to 2 y dx. 0 to 2 root of 2 squared minus x squared. So 0 to 2 x by 2 into root, this integral is what? X by 2 into root of 2 squared minus x squared plus 2 squared by 2 into sine inverse x by 2. So answer is what? This is only one portion. If you want to find out the total area means you multiply with the 4, but you have to find out the first quadrant only. So the answer is what? Pi square unit. Choose the area of the region bounded by the curve y squared is equal to 4x, y axis and y is equal to 3. So you find out the area under the line. Area under the line means this total area will come. Total area minus area under the parabola. Area under the parabola means this. So what is area? No, sorry. This way you can find out. But area under the parabola. Area under the parabola means 0 to 3 y x dy. 0 to 3 x dy. 0 to 3 x dy means our y squared is equal to 4x means x is equal to what? Y squared by 4. So 0 to 3 y squared by 4 dy. So 1 by 4 into y cube by 3. Then apply upper limit and lower limit. So you are getting 9 by 4 square root. So here we have to integrate it with respect to y-axis. Okay.